Right now, inside of you, there is a universe more complex than the stars above. You think you know your body? Think again! From acid that can melt steel to a hidden glow you can't even see. We are diving deep into the microscopic world of you. Welcome to Unknown Facts Channel. Today, we're shrinking down to explore the tiny world within us. We've gathered 13 mind-blowing facts that prove the human body is the ultimate masterpiece of nature. Stay tuned, because number 1 will change the way you look in the mirror forever. Let's descend. Hey everyone, did you know there's a part of your body that has no blood supply at all? It sounds impossible, right? Every other part of us needs blood to deliver oxygen and nutrients. So, what is this mysterious part? It's your cornea. That's the transparent outer layer at the very front of your eye. So, if it doesn't get blood, how does it survive? Well, it's pretty clever. The cornea gets its oxygen directly from the air when your eyes are open. And for nutrients, it gets them from the tears on its surface and the fluid from inside your eye. This unique feature is actually crucial. If the cornea had blood vessels, it wouldn't be perfectly clear, and our vision would be blurry. It's just another amazing example of how incredible the human body is. Did you know your mouth is a saliva factory? It's true. Over your lifetime, you produce an incredible amount of saliva. How much, you ask? Enough to fill not 1, but 2 entire swimming pools. I know, it sounds pretty wild, right? But think about it. Saliva is a superhero. It helps you digest your food, keeps your mouth clean by washing away nasty bacteria, and even helps your taste buds do their job. Without it, eating your favorite snack would be a totally different experience. So next time you're enjoying a delicious meal, give a little nod to your amazing salivary glands. They're working hard, 24/7, to keep you healthy and your food tasty. Isn't the human body just fascinating? If you thought this was cool, hit that like button. Did you know your heart does this every single day? It's pretty mind-blowing when you think about it. Every day, your heart beats about 100,000 times. That's a lot, right? But here's the truly amazing part. In that same day, your heart pumps enough blood to fill up a small swimming pool. We're talking about 2,000 gallons of blood coursing through 60,000 miles of blood vessels. That's enough to circle the earth more than twice. And it does this every day, without you even having to think about it. Your heart is an incredible engine, working non-stop to keep you alive and kicking. So next time you feel your pulse, just remember the sheer power and endurance packed inside your chest. It's pretty cool, huh? Here's a fun little experiment for you. Try this right now. Take a deep breath and hold it. Now, try to swallow. You did it! Right? Easy. Okay, now try this. Start breathing in and out normally, just like you always do. And while you're breathing, try to swallow. You can't, can you? You have to stop breathing for that split second to swallow your saliva. Weird, huh? So why does this happen? It is all thanks to a tiny but mighty flap of cartilage in your throat called the When you breathe, it stays open to let air into your windpipe. But the moment you swallow, it snaps shut over your windpipe to direct food or drink down your esophagus and into your stomach. This little guy is the traffic cop of your throat, preventing you from choking. It's one of those amazing things your body does automatically without you even thinking about it. Pretty cool, right? If you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Have you ever felt a sudden chill? Maybe while listening to an amazing song or watching a scary movie and looked down to see tiny bumps all over your arms? Yep, we're talking about goosebumps. So, what's really going on here? It's actually a fascinating leftover from our ancient ancestors. Back when we were a lot hairier, this reaction was super useful. When we got cold, a tiny muscle at the base of each hair would contract, making the hair stand up. This trapped a layer of air close to the skin, acting like a natural insulator to keep us warm. And when faced with a threat, puffing up our hair made us look bigger and more intimidating to predators. Think of a cat arching its back. Today, we don't have enough body hair for it to make much of a difference, but the reflex is still there. So, The next time you get goosebumps, you can thank your ancient self for trying to keep you warm and safe. Did you know your nose is a supercomputer? It's true. We often think our sense of smell isn't that great compared to, say, a dog's. But get this. Your nose can recognize and remember about 50,000 different scents. 50,000! Think about that. That's the fresh smell of rain on a hot day, the scent of your favorite childhood meal cooking, or the unique perfume of a person you love. Each one is a memory trigger, a tiny time machine right in the middle of your face. While our eyes might get all the glory, our noses are quietly building a massive library of smells that shape our experiences and emotions. It's a powerful, often overlooked superpower that connects us to the world and our memories in a profound way. So next time you take a deep breath, appreciate the amazing work your nose is doing. Did you know your body has a superpower hiding in plain sight? I'm talking about your stomach acid. This stuff is incredibly powerful. Seriously? The hydrochloric acid in your gut is so strong it could dissolve certain types of metal. Imagine that. Now, you're probably wondering, if it's strong enough to dissolve metal, why doesn't it just eat through your own stomach? That's a great question. Your stomach has a brilliant defense system. It produces a thick layer of mucus that coats its lining, protecting it from the powerful acid. This allows the acid to do its job, breaking down the food you eat and killing harmful bacteria without damaging you in the process. Isn't the human body just amazing? Did you know you're not in the same skin you were in last month? It sounds wild, but it's true. Every single month, your body grows a completely new outer layer of skin. Think about it. Your skin is constantly working hard, protecting you from the sun, germs, and everything else the world throws at it to stay strong. It's always shedding old, dead cells and replacing them with fresh, new ones. This amazing process happens so gradually that we don't even notice it. So that person you see in the mirror, they're literally a new and improved version of you every 4 weeks. Our bodies are incredible, aren't they? Did you know there's a bustling metropolis living inside your mouth right now? It's true. The number of bacteria in your mouth is actually greater than the entire human population on Earth. That's over 8 billion tiny residents. But don't rush to grab the mouthwash just yet. Most of these bacteria are totally harmless, and many are even beneficial. They're like a tiny, invisible security team, helping with digestion and protecting you from harmful germs that try to invade. Of course, some are troublemakers that cause cavities and bad breath, which is why brushing and flossing are so important. So next time you brush your teeth, remember, you're not just cleaning. You're managing a whole microscopic civilization. Isn't that wild? Hey, have you ever wondered just how much DNA is packed inside you? Get ready for a mind-blowing fact. If you took all the DNA from every single cell in your body and stretched it out, it would form an incredibly long, thin thread. How long, you ask? Well, it could stretch from Earth all the way to Pluto and back. That's a journey of billions of miles, all contained within you. It's absolutely wild to think that the microscopic blueprint for who you are is that vast. Our bodies are truly amazing universes of their own. Hey everyone, did you know your fingerprints are totally unique? Of course you did. But what if I told you there are other parts of you that are just as one of a kind? Let's start with your tongue. Yup! That thing you use to taste your favorite ice cream has a unique shape and texture with its own specific pattern of bumps and ridges. Scientists can actually use a 3D image of your tongue to identify you with almost perfect accuracy. And how about your ears? The shape, the curves, and the folds of your outer ear are so distinct that some security systems are even starting to use ear recognition technology. It's like a fingerprint for the side of your head, even the way you walk. Your gait is specific to you. It's a complex combination of your posture, stride, length, and the rhythm of your steps. So next time you look in the mirror, remember, you're not just unique in one way, you're a whole collection of amazing, one-of-a-kind features. Ever wonder what your brain gets up to while you're fast asleep? You might think it just shuts down and rests, but that's not the case at all. Your brain is actually incredibly busy all night long. As you drift off, your brain waves change, cycling through different stages of sleep. During deep sleep, it's like a cleaning crew comes in. Your brain clears out harmful toxins that build up during the day. This is super important for keeping your mind sharp and healthy. Then there's REM sleep. That's when you dream. Your brain processes emotions and consolidates memories, basically deciding what to keep and what to forget from your day. So, a good night's sleep isn't just about feeling rested. It's essential maintenance for your amazing brain. Here's a fun little experiment for you. Try this right now. Take a deep breath and hold it. Now, try to swallow. You did it! Right? Easy. Okay, now try this. Start breathing in and out normally, just like you always do. And while you're breathing, try to swallow. You can't, can you? You have to stop breathing for that split second to swallow your saliva. Weird, huh? So why does this happen? It is all thanks to a tiny but mighty flap of cartilage in your throat called the When you breathe, it stays open to let air into your windpipe. But the moment you swallow, it snaps shut over your windpipe to direct food or drink down your esophagus and into your stomach. This little guy is the traffic cop of your throat, preventing you from choking. It's one of those amazing things your body does automatically without you even thinking about it. Pretty cool, right? If you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching!